Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in one more time. We're doing an update on Coinbase. All right, we had a lot of things happen with Coinbase. So I think the last time we spoke was about here when it made a low here. It's resistance level. I remarked up the chart, guys, too. So it continued to range and consolidate here. I move it down and broke this low here. Continue to move down. Continue. We're in a downtrend and we got some price targets here, but we spoke about that Coinbase will be doing something. So I think Coinbase is setting up to put Dogecoin on this platform. So that's gonna so this market might end up staying in this range here for a little bit. It may push lower, it may. I won't recommend, guarantee it. It will, but I know it could. It's the possibility it could, because it still is a bearish market, but conditions may change due to the possible news when they do decide to bring that to that platform, and that's going to create more transactions for them. So that should push the market to the upside, or at least give more confidence boost in their stock. So yeah, that's an update, guys. So we'll see how that will affect this stock. Let's get a support here too. Let's get this possible area here. So this can become a buy area. Possibly buyers might decide to come in the market. Other thing, with this stock. So you got to, everybody was, taking their time with this thing. So they got to get more and more people buying more shares of their stock. So they get more equity stake into the stock. So that's more money that's going into the stocks and the money that can be possibly used. Here, we're going to change this here as well. Change the color of this thing. Big fingers. All right, we got some supply and demand zones, guys. See how much this thing continue to push down. Let's look at it on the smaller time frame. Oh yeah. So those are our targets, guys. This is price target and price on the downside. More, let's see. If buyers decide to come in, we will definitely come back to this chart and see what this thing's looking like over the next few days and see what really happened. Alex Jenkins checking out, guys.